In today's video, we're going to be looking at the pulse oximeter from the company Vibeat. This is the FS20C fingertip pulse oximeter. So with all my purchases, I like doing these unboxings in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item. They want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, etc. This company actually makes a few different pulse oximeters. My doctor actually wants me to start tracking this, so I bought a couple from them. Now this one is just kind of to take a quick reading. They also make wearable technology, and I will be doing a video in the future that shows you one of their wearable units. So let's take a look at everything we get, and then I will put some batteries in it. We'll turn it on and see how it works. Basically give you a lanyard if you want to put it around there, so if you need to wear it around your neck, something like that, that's what this strap would be for. Looks like an inspection certificate, a customer service card, as well as a warranty card, and then your instruction manual. This unit is not rechargeable. It runs on 2 AAA batteries, and they give you the 2 AAA batteries. Now, I've never used it before. If you want to bear with me for a second, I will open the batteries. We'll throw some batteries in it. All right, so really simple. I did want to show you just how the batteries go in here. You've got a little compartment here you can slide off. You've got your 2 AAA batteries. Simply put that back on. The device will automatically turn off whenever you want to turn it on. You're going to simply put your finger in. Now, it doesn't have to be your index finger, but they recommend your index finger or your middle finger. You can choose whichever one you want. You're going to slide your finger in, and then you're going to turn the device on. Nice colored screen, very easy to read. And then you've got a couple different things that'll start getting measured. You can see my blood oxygen level, and then my beats per minute, as well as my heartbeat rate. And if you press the power button, it changes your view to where basically you can look different ways depending on which way you have it facing you. This is probably the best way to look at it. I can see my blood saturation level, my pulse rate, the power indicator of my battery level. I can see my heartbeat, and I can see my pulse down at the bottom. Again, it's not designed to be worn all the time. It's just to throw it on, do a quick reading like that, and then once you're done, you can simply take it off, and it will turn off after a couple seconds. I'll let you look at that view. You can see it says sensor off. It's not reading any data, and it'll turn off. A nice basic pulse oximeter if you need one. As always, I hope the video helps. Thanks for watching.